Okay guys, so guys, I have just soaked these different kinds of, there are two different kinds of sweet potato. As you can see that this one is purple and this one orange, guys. This is the typical sweet potato here in Spain. These are the sweet potatoes that I have just soaked, and hopefully they will grow, guys, and then in springtime I can transplant this outside, guys. So hopefully, because we love the leaves so much. Okay guys, so look at this sweet potato. Now we are going to plant our sweet potatoes, guys, in here, and I have them here already. They are all so nice, as you can see, one by one. They've grown a lot, guys. Can you see? There are two more here, but maybe this bed is very small for all of them, right? So I have these sweet potatoes and we are going to plant them in here, guys. And yeah, maybe 2 to 4, maybe I'm going to plant 4 only here, because the size of this one is very small, guys. That is why. Look. Okay. Okay guys, so I planted 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I planted 6 sweet potatoes in this bed. I hope they will grow. And I will harvest also some of our kamote tops, guys, sweet potato tops, and 1 onion too. Alright guys, so here are our sweet potatoes. Hello everyone, good morning. Today guys, we are going to dig our sweet potatoes. Yes, it is 22nd of November 2023 already, guys, but I didn't dig my sweet potatoes yet, but they are still in ground. They're still good, but it is now time to go and dig them. So let's go. The leaves of the trees are turning into yellow and then brown. Hello guys, so look at my OMG. I think the goat came in here, or one of the animals, one of the sheep or goat, guys, because as you can tell, oh my gosh, they took out my plants. So we are going to replant that again. And look at these aubergines or eggplants. There are fruits, guys, so we are going to harvest that too. But what a naughty animal who came inside. Oh my goodness. So guys, here is the patch of our lucky this animal didn't eat everything I have in here. Yes, I don't know why. Yeah, only some of the broccolis, I think. No, some of the cauliflowers, I think. So we are going to put that inside again. Oh, and look guys, this is the bed of our snookies, and this is the bed of our it's so cold guys. This is the bed of our sweet potato. As you can tell, it's so windy. I gave the sweet potato tops guys, or sweet potato vines to our goats and sheep, and they are enjoying it. Wow! Look at that! Look at this big one, big size. Another small one, and let's see. Wow! This is big, guys. Woo! Oh wow! Look at that! Woohoo! I'm very, very happy. Look here. Oh wow! Look, because I don't want to use the fork or anything, guys, because I don't want to break. Oh wow, look at that. Here as well. Oh, it's inside. It's so deep. Oops, look at this, it has hole. Not bad, huh? Oh, it's really quite deep. Have to take out the dirt. Oh, this is quite deep, guys. Oh wow, look at that. So happy. much sweet potato. Very happy, guys. And there is an insect eating it. This is enormous. But the thing is, it has crack in here. Enormous too. Wow. Alright guys, so we are now inside our house and this is our harvest, our sweet potato. I am very happy, guys, of my harvest. Yeah, so we can make sweet potato chips and sweet potato casseroles. Yes, bilo-bilo, guys, is Filipino dessert or snack using this sweet potato as one of the ingredients of the bilo-bilo, and so many more. I am very happy. My oven.